Mort Herfelfinger here. Today I have a great recipe. Let me tell you what it is. Hi. Hello. Hello there. Today I'm going to make a corned beef brisket in a Instant Pot pressure cooker. And it's real easy. I made it before. Maybe you saw it. Just rinse the meat off if you want, or soak it overnight if it's too salty for you. And then you just put it in the pressure cooker for 25 minutes a pound. This is almost 4 pounds, so I'm going to go the 90 minutes. It's closer to 3 pounds than 4 pounds, but I'm going to go 90 minutes, and it's going to be delicious. And it's almost the time for St. Patrick's Day, and people like eating this on St. Patrick's Day. So come along, and I'll show you how I do it. This is a 6-quart Instant Pot pressure cooker. I have a rack inside. See? I'm going to put my meat on there, and then it's easier to lift out. First I'm going to cut this open, drain it and rinse it in my sink, or wherever you like to rinse meat. Like I said, you can soak this overnight in cold water and change the water a few times, and it won't be as salty the next day. But I just rinse it with water, and to me it's good. And look how easy this is. Remember, this is 3.11 pounds. Let's put that right in there. Fits good. You can come up closer and look at it. And they give you these seasoning packets, which I like. I'm going to put that on top. They're nice. Do you believe how easy this is? You know what? All I have to do is add 2 cups of water, and it's ready. I have pre-measured 2 cups. You don't want to rinse off your seasoning. You need 2 cups in the pressure cooker for steam and pressure. And then, I bet you're wondering why I have potatoes and cabbage and carrots out here. Because after this 90 minutes, look, it's set on 130, okay. I'm going to cook this by itself for 90 minutes, start. When that's done, I'm going to take it out and let the corned beef rest on its own plate. And I'm going to put the cabbage, carrots, and potatoes in there for 4 minutes. And it's going to be so tender. And we're going to have a delicious meal. Or my name ain't more Herferfinger. So, okay, we'll let this come up to pressure. This is the new Instant Pot, a 6-quart. It's pretty fancy, isn't it? And I love this meal, and you will too. I'll stop back when it's almost done. I'll see you soon. 9 minutes left. I can't wait. 1 minute. I can't wait. I always say that. I'm going to take my brisket out and put it on this plate and let it rest like you really should do. I guess right now I can cut up the cabbage and these potatoes, right? Do I need a cutting board maybe? Mm-hmm. How about a knife? That's a knife.
There it is.
Yay, it's time to eat almost. I'm going to release the pressure. You know how to do that. And here's you. Thank you. Instant Pot. This is a 6-quart. Release the pressure. I'll be back in a couple minutes. Open the carrots. Open the potatoes. It smells good now. I smell it. What's that chopping? What are you chopping my cabbage for me?
Yeah, I'm working on the cabbage.
Thank you. Boy, that smells so good. Pressure's almost all the way out. See that pin drop when it goes completely out. Still hear it. Yes. You know what that means? Oh, remember I have it on a rack.
Oh, yeah, look at it.
I wish I could smell it right now. I believe that rack might be hot, so I'm going to use 2 pot holders. I'm gonna set it on this plate.
Handy dandy.
Look at that, Andy. Whoa. I want to taste it right now, but I know I'm not going to. If I was going to slice it, I would slice it against the grain. Do you see how the grain goes this way? I would slice it against the grain. Like this. Or use my meat slicer, but I'm going to just have a nice meal with it. I'm going to use the juice that's inside for my vegetables. Is anything ready back there? I could put the cabbage in right now, right?
Yep, here we go.
I rinsed out my baby carrots. Oh, my cabbages are here.
It's a big one.
See? Put these in. Into the nice flavored brisket water. Four minutes. Use it all.
And we'll save room for the potatoes.
Make room for Daddy. Carrots, a whole bag of carrots. Half a bag. I'm not a big fruit guy.
Where the potatoes at? Oh, I didn't get them ready yet.
6 potatoes, quartered. Put them in. Everybody into the bowl. Gonna have fun in there. Now see how beautiful it looks. Mmm. That juicy juice on the bottom. Put the lid on. Tinkly, tinkly, tink. Do you remember what I said? I said 4 minutes on high pressure. Start. Wait till you see these after 4 minutes. And don't forget about this. Boy, I want to eat that so bad right now. Don't I? Don't do it! Don't! Oh, look, I want to. I want to. Told me not to. Oh! I can't wait. Yay, the time's up again. 4 minutes went by fast. I'll let the pressure out again. Whoa! I'll be right back. It looks like that gauge is showing me the pressure going down. I never noticed that before. This is a newer model of an Instant Pot. Smells delicious. My brisket has been resting properly. I feel like eating it. Is everybody ready? I've been ready. I can't wait. Yay! Here we go, everyone! Tinkle, tinkle. Oh, look at our liquid expanded and made it nice in there. Oh, look. What do you think about that? 4 minutes. Okay, I'm going to take some of it out and put it on the serving platter. Not all of it. Let me cancel that. Thank you, my Instant Pot. Let's just take some potatoes. Some tender potatoes. Some delicious cabbage. Remember, this is great for upcoming St. Patrick's Day. There's a lot in here too. We're gonna have leftovers. I hope there's enough of the corned beef left to make myself some Reubens, or at least a Reuben. Kincaid. I think that's not what. See how much is in the pot yet, though. So much. So much. I'm going to take this over to my eating area. Oh boy. Remember what I said against the grain? You see the grain going that way? Beautiful. That's a good consistency for my meat slicer as well. Just want to show you this piece here. Look. I want to eat it so bad right now. Look. See that? Texture. Oh. Ow! Oh. Mm. I like the end piece. If we didn't cut it against the grain, we cut it with the grain, it would be long and stringy. If you don't mind your meat long and stringy, I don't mind it either. As long as you get that flavor in there. Hang on. Just want to look presentable here. Some cabbage. Butter. Watch this potato. Well, you saw it already before. No salt on the meat, please. Taste the cabbage. We call it cabbage. The meat is just the best ever. I hope you get a chance to make this in your pressure cooker. And I believe at this time of the year, briskets are on sale. Good for me. And I got a couple more of them already. Oh boy, look at this. Sandwiches coming up. Sandwiches for dessert, everybody. Sorry, I forgot. This is Mort Herfelfinger. Please stop by again sometime and please subscribe.
You want some?
Woo! Woo! Have a nice day, everybody. Bye.